What's up, everybody? Rebel Drifter is back again with another box. My wife is going to kill me because everything is just getting more and more regarding the ladies in the boxes. Keen eyed viewers might see I have a fat lip. I bit my lip a couple of days ago in my sleep. That sometimes happens, especially with people that have allergies and or asthma. They are prone to do that once in a while, apparently, but that doesn't matter. So we are opening up this box as we speak. And to be quite fair, I actually do not know who sent me this. The box looks like it's from a company that I've done business with before, multiple times already. But before I say a name, might as well just go and check to see what's in the box. Ugh. I do think my feeling says that this is a torso doll, but I might be mistaken. It seems that it's brand new. And let's see. Yep, it's another Erovenus honey. So I'm gonna put the foam to the side. So let me see if everything is in order real quick. This is the leg area, so it seems. And the neck area is over here. It's a little bit bent in, but not as much. Thankfully, there is a foam layer there and also the gray foam underneath. There's not a lot to showcase, but I will pick you up and just show you how it looks on the inside. So there's not a lot to discuss. It's just very simple and very good. So yeah, there's not a lot to discuss. Everything seems to be in order, very nicely packed. As you can see here, the neck is coming up a tiny bit. And this is the bottom side of the box. As you can see, there is some foam there for the neck. Everything else seems to be in working order. She is heavy, so this is probably a new body that I'm about to unbox. Here she is, a specific Erovenus body. And now we're gonna do up the pump test. She has a very soft behind and a very soft, as you can see, chest, which is drooping all over the place. It was a hassle to put on the bikini because she is a tad bit heavy, but you could expect that for all that silicone goodness. And yeah, I need to get the camera up a little bit more. There we go. And then continue with the pumping action. Pumping silicone, just as good as pumping iron. Yeah. There we go. Now, before we go over and put on a head on this beautiful body, we can go over some of the details. There's probably not a lot of details regarding, a torso because there's less of a body to film. That's what I'm kind of talking about. But you can already see there are very nice lines in the torso. She has a gel butt, which you can see here. It's already completely denting itself. That's why I have this extra foam pad underneath and a clean blankie, which makes it a lot easier to handle. Alright, so you can already see around her stomach area and her belly button, very nice details. Clearly you can see the skin makeup or the skin details that are very nice. There are not a lot of veins present, which I think is pretty cool, because I've told you many times in my videos before that a lot of veins, it's not really cool with me. Good Lord. First of all, I did not know this was coming up on my channel. And second, like I said, she's a tad bit heavy, but what do you expect with so much silicone jiggle? But yeah, really cool design. Very, very fluffy chest, as you can see here. Very soft, ripply. I don't even know if I can get away with this on the YouTube channel, but you know, it is for science and or technology. And yeah, you know, she looks really good. So underneath the legs, they are very nicely done as well. There is, ooh, I thought I drooled, but it's actually it's a piece of plastic that was still on her from the plastic bag around her. And then if we go towards the neck, you will see that there is a indentation there. They already tried to make it a little bit open, I think, as you can see here. But I still have to use that tool to make a perfect circle. Other than that, she looks amazing. And yeah, we have to check out her backside too. I'll probably leave her on the table, so I'll just flip her around like a pancake. Her caboose looks pretty good from this angle. And also, like I said, very soft. My finger just completely dives in and is nowhere to be found. And as you can see here as well, I'm not going to poke because YouTube will have my ass for this, I think. But, you know, she is protected. I can't help it. There are also swimsuit models and or other types of modeled ladies that have a very big chest. So it's only fair that I get to review a silicone doll or a silicone torso in this case. So yeah, I think it's unfair if I get denied for having this video on there. There's like a one tiny little poke here that I gently massaged out. There's some work floor stuff in there, I think, yeah, or from the plastic bag. And there was like kind of a tiny little pinch there, probably from shipping, but we'll get that out. Yeah, she just looks very voluptuous. Can't wait to put on a head and showcase her standing up on the blanket. Alright, so this is the body on the floor, and we have our handy dandy cutting tool again, and we can see it's actually pretty deep. There, once more, I do feel the edge. There we go, we finally see the neck area, and now we have to pull this piece out. No satisfying plop this time. It is a little bit off center. Maybe that's because of transportation or the overall design, but we will be able to get a head in. So all I need to do now is grab a nice Erovenus head, and they make gorgeous heads, and then plop onto the body right there. All right, and here she is. This is Cady. Now, we don't have her head or anything. This is just the body style, as far as I know, is called Cady. Apparently, she's very new as well. She does weigh a lot, but what do you expect with all that gel and jiggle goodness embedded in the silicone? Now, the head that I have put on the body, as far as I know, is from our previous unboxing from Erovenus, which was the slightly smaller body, but also very voluptuous. So her name is Marina, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, it looks very good. She looks very good, I have to say. And the bikini that she's wearing right now is something that my wife saw, and we decided to buy that for her, which was a discounted, nice little bikini set. So that's actually pretty cool. And yeah, regarding her head or her face, I think it's actually pretty cool. She does look the part, and it fits very nicely. So as you can see, she has ROS, and yeah, there are many heads and sculpts that you can choose from on Erovenus.com. So this is another shout out to my man Ray from Erovenus. Please go over to Erovenus and get your lady, and don't forget to use my affiliate link that I will drop in the video /comments or the video description, and don't forget to use my discount code. I need to pump her up for the final shot, but you know, I never miss out on the opportunity to pump a lady up. Hopefully she doesn't fall. Alright everybody, head on over to Erovenus.com and use Rebel3 for a nice little discount. And yeah, big shout out again to Ray. Thank you very much for bestowing this voluptuous lady onto our channel. And yeah, for everything else, stay tuned. Also keep in mind there are more ladies coming. Go over to Erovenus.com, use Rebel3 for the discount code, or my affiliate link in the description and or comment section. And yeah, let me know what you think about this silicone goodness with all the voluptuous jiggle. It's too much for me to handle. See you guys in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great rest of your week. Peace.